So today I'll be showing you how to enable or disable user interface animations on your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. Now this includes charging animations or power on and off animations, just general animations that come on your screen when you do stuff on your phone. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So you want to go into settings, and then under settings, scroll down to accessibility, tap on that, and then under accessibility, go to vision enhancements, tap on that, and then now you can scroll down and find the option reduce animations. So if you want to reduce animations, you turn that on. That's gonna stop some of the animations and reduce most of them until it cannot completely turn off. And then if you want these animations to enable them, you just turn off the option to reduce animations. So that's how you can do that. Thanks for watching. Good luck.